You've had hundreds of hours of practice. How are you getting better?
I'm getting faster at getting the camera out.
She's like, okay, fine, I give up. I'll lick myself then.